Let's take a moment and check out the subwoofer settings on Pioneer's DEH-X4700BT. Right now I'm on the AM/FM radio source. I'm going to turn the head unit off to start. We'll press and hold the source button until the head unit turns off. Now press in on the volume control, and we're going to get to the initial menu. Here's initial, and press enter. Here we want the speaker and pre-out mode. That's what I'm interested in, and I'll press enter here as well. Right here I have my rear speakers set to full range and my rear RCA output set to subwoofer. If I want, I can change my rear speaker output to subwoofer and the RCA output to subwoofer. That's the rear RCA output to subwoofer. Or if I want, I can change both the rear speaker output and the rear RCA output to full range. For this demonstration, I want to use my rear RCA output as a subwoofer output, but I want the rear speakers to be full range. So rear speakers, full range, rear RCA output is subwoofer output. Once I've made those settings, I can press a button to go to a source. Now I'm going to go into my audio menu. Here's my audio menu, and press enter. And we're going to roll along until we find our subwoofer control. Right now our subwoofer control is turned off. Let's switch the subwoofer on to its normal phase, or we could switch it on to a reverse phase. Touch the button one more time and we switch the subwoofer output off. For this demonstration, I want the subwoofer output on and in its normal phase. And we'll roll over to our next setting, which is our subwoofer control, and press enter. Here I can choose a crossover frequency for my subwoofer output, and we'll choose 80 hertz. I'll press in on the volume control, and we can boost or cut that output for the subwoofer. So we'll add a little more bottom into our system. Press enter on the volume control again, and we can adjust the slope from 12 to 24 dB per octave at a crossover point of 80 hertz. Once you've made those adjustments to your subwoofer output, you can just press the band button to escape.